Hi there guys, I hope you're all well and welcome back to the DVS channel. So in this video I'm going to be quickly breaking down an oil trade that we have previously taken yesterday. The trade did in fact hit our take profit, and as well the trade was called in our free group here. So if you aren't already, we have started a Telegram channel with free content. We send trade ideas, educational content as well. And obviously off the back end of that, we do obviously have the paid channel as well. So with this here, I'm going to quickly break down the oil trade. I want to make it as quick as possible because at the end of the day, I don't want to waste your time. This little zone here is where we took the trade from. However, what I want to do is start the analysis from the point we saw the trade. So we was looking at oil and we did actually get a pullback in the form of this candle here. So initially what we always do, we like to draw a Fibonacci just to see if we can target any areas on the Fib, trying to build as much confluence as possible. Now, when I did in fact draw this Fib, I saw that the 38 Fibonacci was at the 92 round number. So I thought, well, we've got two confluences there. Do we have any more confluences that we could use for this trade? And the answer is yes. So all I did, I originally just simply drew a zone to the left, and I noticed that if you can see here, we had a tap there, we had a tap there, and once again here, we had a reaction here, and we also had a reaction here, and again, a reaction there. So just from simply looking at oil, you can see that this area right here is super strong, because you've had multiple touches of the area as support. So every time price hit this area, we did get a reaction in terms of support. So once support is broken, we can potentially expect that support will then become resistance. And if that did in fact happen, this would sort and support the idea of this trade. So obviously, a couple of days go by, you can see that price continued to pull back, and then we had this reaction here. So if I quickly just go back and get up the chart here, I said oil is currently approaching the 38 fib at $92. Here we have the 38 fib, we have the key level, and we have the round number. So if you can see here, the first confluence was the 38 Fibonacci at 91.93. So if I just set up our entry here, 91.93, we had a $2 stop loss, and our first TP was $2. What I will do now, I'll quickly just go into the 15-minute time frame, and we can see how this trade played out, because it was in fact a sniper. You will have seen a couple of screenshots on the screen already regarding the trade, but I will get it up one more time right now, just so it is obviously visible for you. Now, if we play out what happened with this trade, you can see that price did spike into the level quite aggressively, like so. It tapped the area perfectly, and then over the course of the next few hours, price did in fact push down and hit our TP. If I do in fact go back into the daily time frame, we can see the current situation of the trade. So if I just exit replay mode, we can get up this. You can see this is the current situation with the trade. We are still in the position. Our second area of interest is going to be 2 to 1. And you can see that price is nicely on its way to this area. So as previously mentioned, this trade was called in the free channel here. While we are on the topic of sending trades, we have the analysis group yesterday. We had the 1800 trade on gold, which did in fact hit our TP. So you can see this was the trade here. This was the areas of interest, and the trade did hit TP. I will put as well a screenshot on the screen right now of that, just so you can see that we were in the trade, and obviously our members profited as well. So if we just do a quick summary for the month, this is where we are at. So we've had the 1689 buys continue to run into profit. So we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wins this month and 1 break even, resulting in over 1,000 pips. So obviously, if you are interested in joining the analysis group like so, and just seeing obviously the areas we take and why we take them and try to learn from that, the link will be in the bio. But yes, guys, I hope this video has helped you. Hope it's helped you understand oil that little bit more. But thank you very much for watching the video, and we will see you in the next one.